What ancient words penned nearly 2 millennia ago still resonate in churches around the world today? What declaration of faith has united Christians across denominations and centuries? The answer lies in the Nicene Creed. This remarkable document, a testament to the enduring power of faith, stands as a cornerstone of Christian belief. For over 1700 years, the Nicene Creed has served as a beacon of orthodoxy, guiding believers and shaping the very fabric of Christendom. Its longevity is a testament to its profound significance. The Nicene Creed is not merely a historical artifact, it is a living testament to the foundational truths of Christianity. It is a testament that continues to resonate with the hearts and minds of believers today. The Nicene Creed stands as a pillar of faith for much of Christianity. It is a concise yet comprehensive declaration of the core beliefs that have united Christians for centuries. From the nature of God to the person of Jesus Christ, the Creed outlines the fundamental truths that define the Christian faith. Its importance lies not only in its articulation of these beliefs, but also in its historical context. The Nicene Creed emerged from a period of intense theological debate and controversy. It stands as a testament to the Church's commitment to preserving the integrity of the faith. The Nicene Creed succinctly outlines the core beliefs of Christianity. It begins by affirming belief in one God, the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth. This statement establishes the monotheistic foundation of Christianity, emphasizing the singularity and sovereignty of God. The Creed then delves into the nature of Jesus Christ, affirming his divinity as the Son of God, eternally begotten of the Father. It proclaims his incarnation, death, resurrection, and ascension, highlighting the pivotal role of Christ in salvation history. The Creed concludes by affirming belief in the Holy Spirit, the Lord and giver of life, who proceeds from the Father and the Son. The Nicene Creed did not emerge in a vacuum. Its formulation was prompted by a theological controversy that threatened to divide the early church. This controversy, known as Arianism, centered on the nature of Jesus Christ and his relationship to God the Father. Arius, a priest from Alexandria, proposed that Jesus was not eternally God but a created being, albeit the first and highest of all creation. This teaching, which contradicted the traditional understanding of Christ's divinity, gained significant traction, leading to widespread debate and division within the Church. Section 5. The Council of Nicaea. The controversy surrounding Arianism reached a boiling point, prompting Emperor Constantine to convene the Council of Nicaea in 325 AD. This council, the First Ecumenical Council of the Christian Church, brought together bishops from across the Roman Empire to address the Arian controversy and formulate a unified response. After much deliberation and debate, the council condemned Arianism as heresy. They affirmed the divinity of Christ, declaring him to be God from God, light from light, true God from true God, begotten, not made, of one being with the Father. This declaration, which formed the basis of the Nicene Creed, served as a powerful affirmation of Christ's divinity and a rejection of Arianism. Section 6. Constantinople's contribution. While the Council of Nicaea addressed the Arian controversy, the Nicene Creed as we know it today underwent further development. In 381 AD, the Council of Constantinople convened, expanding upon the original creed and solidifying its language. The Council of Constantinople reaffirmed the Nicene affirmation of Christ's divinity and expanded upon the Creed's statements about the Holy Spirit. It affirmed the Spirit's divinity and role in the Trinity, declaring the Spirit to be the Lord, the giver of life, who proceeds from the Father and the Son, who with the Father and the Son is worshipped and glorified. This expanded version of the Creed, known as the Niceno-Constantinopolitan Creed, stands as the version most widely used today. Section 7. A unifying confession. The Nicene Creed, forged in the fires of controversy and refined through centuries of theological reflection, has served as a unifying confession of faith for Christians worldwide. It transcends denominational boundaries, uniting believers from diverse backgrounds under the banner of shared belief. From Catholics to Protestants, Orthodox to Anglicans, the Nicene Creed stands as a common ground, a testament to the core beliefs that unite Christians despite their differences. It serves as a powerful reminder of the shared heritage and faith that binds Christians together. Section 8. Truth through the Ages. The enduring relevance of the Nicene Creed lies not only in its unifying power, but also in its unwavering proclamation of truth. In a world often characterized by shifting sands of opinion and belief, the Creed stands as a bedrock of unchanging truth. Its affirmations about God, Christ, and the Holy Spirit are as relevant today as they were centuries ago. The Creed speaks to the deepest longings of the human heart, offering hope, purpose, and the promise of salvation through faith in Jesus Christ. Section 9. Our Shared Declaration. The Nicene Creed is not merely an ancient document to be studied or admired. It is a living declaration of faith meant to be embraced and proclaimed. When we recite the Creed, we join our voices with countless Christians throughout history affirming the truths that have sustained believers for generations. It is a declaration of our faith, our heritage, and our hope. Let us embrace the power and significance of the Nicene Creed, allowing its timeless truths to shape our lives and guide us on our journey of faith.